This is why I say never be too happy too soon. So after 2 runs it's stuck again, which means, hope you can see the LED here, here, here and here. So this is the function, the stop of the sound and the microphone stop or the mute. Okay. Never give up. Eventually you will find it. You have to understand that sometimes these things happens. As you can see, it's pretty easy to take it off. Now I need to understand. First, you see it is in a stuck situation, so I will press the magic button to see that it is helping me again. This button here near the side of the external battery. I just pressed it. I think that this solved the issue. Let's see if it is solving it again, and yes, so it looks like it will. Yes, so something is happening and causing it, and the reset is fixing it. So eventually there is still a problem here, which I will try to see again. So maybe I will shut down the PC and let's look again. Let's try first to restart. Now it is okay again, so I need to find when this LEDs lighting and when it is stuck, so the problem comes and go. So it's not that simple, but the reset button is a reset probably to fix some of the issues. So okay. So maybe it was in sleep mode, but eventually I will try now to reproduce, or maybe look for a soldering issue, or maybe take some of the parts out. Okay, so what I did disconnect the heating fan. Be careful when doing it, because the powering cable is very tiny here, flat cables that you can ruin very easily, so you need to be very careful when taking this out. And there is a DC to DC coil here that I usually, by the way, there is a glue here on the top, probably to avoid some interfaces, radio frequencies interfaces, or like EMI or electromagnetic interface in and out. So you need to put it back, and the coil somehow doesn't look that it is soldered very well, and the heavy parts are usually the problem, because it is also heating during running. All the power is going through this coil, so usually this coil get heated when they're under a current. So I will try to resolder this part very carefully. Sorry, just applying heat with a soldering iron. Maybe I will clean it a little. It's very gentle to do such a repair, so I don't like it, but there's nothing else I can do. adjust some of the screws near the battery. Okay, everything looks okay now. Okay, so let's run it for a test and see that now it is really solved and something is done.